Alright guys, I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. So I have, check this out, kidney beans, corn, and chickpeas. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make a soup. So I have spinach there, as you can see, spinach, baby spinach. I'm going to put it into the pot, and then I'm going to, this is a pack of drumsticks which was on sale. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in my Instant Pot first. We're going to cook the chicken. And then that's going to make my bone broth, basically. And then I'm going to take the meat off it, discard the bones, then put all of these things in there, and then we're going to cook it again. So it'll have all the broth from the bones, so you don't actually have to buy, beef broth or chicken stock or anything like that, because you're going to get it from here, naturally. So, and then you're going to put these in, and then I'm going to put the whole bag of spinach in there, and then I'll have a soup for like days. So stay tuned guys, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to season it with herbs and everything else as well. Okay, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so here is the chicken that I put in my Instant Pot. As you can see, it's seasoned. So what I'm going to do is add water to it, and then just let it cook. You just hit the poultry button on your Instant Pot, and then you're going to have your soup stock. And then what you do is you let it cool down, take the meat off the bones, and that's your meat going to be into the soup. Okay, so I'll be right back. So I'm going to get this cooked up first. Alright, so as you can see, the chicken is all cooked up and seasoned, and that's your chicken broth now. So what I'm going to do is let it cool down, take the meat off the chicken, and then just discard the bones, and then the meat is in there. We're going to put the spinach, we're going to put the beans, we're going to put the chickpeas and the corn all in there, and then we're going to recook everything with the rice button. Okay, so stay tuned guys, I'm just going to let it cool down and I'll be back. Alright, so I have just removed all the bones. Now I'm going to put in the beans and the spinach, all that stuff. So just stay tuned, I'll be right back. Alright, so the beans are in there, the corn, all that stuff, and as you can see, the spinach is in there. So I'm just going to put the lid on, hit the rice button, and then this will all cook down, and then about 20 minutes this is your soup is ready. So I'll be back guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so it is all done. As you can see, I put it out into the bowl here, so I'm going to do a quick taste test. Alright, so time for a taste test. Here is a good idea. So it's actually quite good. Yeah, it does have a lot of the spinach flavor to it. So if you're not a fan of spinach, then this might not be your thing. But you can use a different vegetable, right? So other than that, it tastes quite good. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel.